Hey there, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you've ever thought, how can I make money online without having to create my own product? Well, affiliate marketing might just be the answer you're looking for. Affiliate marketing is pretty simple at its core. Imagine this. You come across a product or service you genuinely like or believe in. You don't own it, you don't have to make it, and you definitely don't have to ship it to anyone. Your role? Just recommend it to others. That's it. And when someone buys it through your recommendation, you get paid a commission. Sound good? Let's break down exactly how it works. Hey, quick pause here to show you some real proof and numbers. You might be wondering if making money online is truly possible, especially if you're just starting out. Let me tell you, in today's digital world, the potential is absolutely real. You can build a solid income stream from affiliate marketing or by helping clients grow their businesses, even if you're working from home or just doing this on the side. Check out these screenshots. Here's a look at monthly income from affiliate marketing and working with clients. These are actual results people have achieved by consistently following strategies, just like the ones I'm sharing with you. Now, of course, everyone's journey looks a little different, and it takes time to build. But if you're willing to put in the work and learn along the way, the numbers really can add up. All right, back to the content. Just wanted to show you what's possible. At its most basic level, affiliate marketing is a win-win setup. A business rewards you, an affiliate, for sending customers their way. They get the sale, and you get a piece of the profit. You're like the bridge that connects the product to people who might actually want it. Here's how it works in a bit more detail. First, you choose a product or service that fits you and the kind of people you want to reach. Maybe it's a book, a piece of software, or even an online course. Once you have your product, you get a unique affiliate link for it. This link tracks any sales that come through you. Now comes the fun part, sharing it. You could post it on social media, write about it in a blog, or send it out in an email. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. You're not handling customer service, inventory, or shipping. You're just sharing what you think is useful or cool, and if people agree and buy it, you're rewarded. So, why affiliate marketing? For one, it's low risk. You don't need a ton of money to start, and you can do it from anywhere. Plus, you're in control. You choose the products, you decide how you want to promote them, and you're able to work at your own pace. And let's be real, the income potential is there. With a good strategy, it can grow into a solid revenue stream. So if this sounds interesting, stick around. In this course, we're going to dive deeper into each step, from choosing the right affiliate programs to setting up a solid foundation and creating content that gets results. I'll also share some pitfalls you'll want to avoid so you can get started on the right foot. Ready to turn some clicks into cash? Let's get started with the basics of affiliate marketing.